Today, I want to talk to you guys about a very key update from the CEO of Crypto.com. We also have a very interesting signal right now that is showing crypto is heating up, and it is faring well to the favor of Crypto.com versus its competition. In the United States of America right now, Crypto.com is leading the pack against its other competition in this space. In the App Store, we are seeing Crypto.com outranking its competition. I'm very bullish on this coin. Let's talk about the price targets for this and what Chris Marszalek is talking about today that Crypto.com users and CRO Coin holders have to be excited about ahead. Guys, welcome to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Today, I want to share some of these stories with you guys. Let's just go ahead and hop right into it. If you like the content, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more crypto updates. Now, Chris Marszalek, he is the CEO of this company and he is tweeting a lot more. He came out with this tweet I want to share with you guys and talk a little bit about it, saying, apologies to everyone for long customer service response times. We have already hired an extra 480 customer service reps to deal with the increased volumes, but it does take time to train and onboard them all. We will continue to scale until we reach 60-second response time to all queries. If you need urgent help with your account in the meantime, he is allowing you to DM him. Guys, this is another brand new tweet, continuously encouraging people to DM him directly, and he is going to allocate his personal time, the CEO of this major company, to help out customers. And he does. We have many pieces of evidence to show that this is in fact the case. The CEO is hands-on involved, ready for the future success inevitably coming with this crypto bull market that is truly only just begun. Certainly been going on for a little bit, but we arguably have a lot more bull market ahead. Actually, and I did a video earlier today talking about where we're at right now and what the strategy is. Alert, guys, it's hold. That's the strategy, guys. That's what I'm doing right now. We don't do financial advice here, but we can certainly see that, first of all, in this message, what does this tell us? This tells us that more people are using the app than before. There are more queries coming on the app and more people need support because more people are using the app. And we can also see that Chris Marszalek is responsive to this and scaling up because he believes a bull market's coming. They scaled back on some of the employees they had in customer service for the bear market to save money for the company, which I understand. But now it is time to press forward and get things back up and running for customer service support in a big way because the amount of users that are coming to this are going to be huge. In fact, look at another tweet from him saying lots of volatility and an incessant barrage of traffic, about 10x versus last week. More inflows coming into this exchange, money and users. The platform performed, though, reliably with 100% uptime, and he is proud of his team. They got themselves prepared for this bull market in the making sure that the app is not going to shut down. You know, one thing we did see is during these recent pumps for Bitcoin, Coinbase was actually shutting down. Crypto.com is outperforming Coinbase from a app standpoint because their app does not shut down when the crypto markets are pumping, whereas Coinbase's app is having a lot of troubles right now. And that might be one of the reasons, and shout out to Gold Pony Crypto, another great YouTuber. You guys should check out his channel and follow him on Twitter. Put out this tweet that I want to share with you guys. I saw this on Twitter and I thought I'd show Gold Pony posting this because it's a great point, Gold Pony. Crypto.com is ranked number 3 in the finance section of the App Store in the United States, guys. Some would say this is a top signal. I say this is extremely bullish for Crypto.com. There's a lot of signals that are saying this is not a top for Bitcoin. In fact, this is only beginning of possibly one of the biggest bull markets we've ever seen in crypto's history. Why? Because institutions are seemingly FOMOing into this asset class in a very real way. Bitcoin is currently at an interesting moment where it wants to break its previous all-time highs. I showed you guys this in my video earlier today, talking about we are not out of the race yet. We don't necessarily need Bitcoin to dip here. Of course, historically, there have been dips, but there is a chance that we spend multiple days up here. Right now, we're at about 6 days. So right now, the trend is Bitcoin is going up and to the right. We just broke previous all-time highs and good chance that we might continue to break through. So what does that mean for CRO Coin? That means that we are watching out for, again, a potential bounce at 12.2 cents. Honestly, as a worst case scenario for me, unless Bitcoin absolutely breaks downward, which is certainly a possibility. Not what I expect, but certainly a possibility. CRO versus Bitcoin still showing sign of strength. We're in this wedge. It wants to break up and out. I do think that we come to a strong decision from CRO versus Bitcoin as close to, I mean, possibly by the 10th, possibly by this Sunday. I think we're going to see some volatility. Monday market open, I definitely expect some volatility. I do think, guys, that for CRO, we are due for a break to the upside. I do think that CRO Coin wants to get this nice 40% move versus Bitcoin. And it also wants to probably break out to probably 20 cents on that move and getting a nice 28% move versus the dollar. Blacksea's been talking about a 50-cent CRO. I believe that's possible, possibly even before the halving. At this rate, I think that Bitcoin breaking into the $80,000 region could even be possible for Bitcoin at this rate. What is great to see is the leader of Crypto.com coming out and talking to the community directly. Some people are speculating that, you know, it's not good that he's not talking about CRO Coin, but as a leader and the CEO of that company, you don't really want him talking about the asset. You just want to see him building, communicating what they're thinking right now with the sentiment in the market. We see more volume coming in. We see more users, 10x more than the prior week. And I think this trend continues in that direction personally. Guys, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Super great to see Chris Marziak working on the customer service aspect. I know there's a lot of people that use this app that want improvements there, and it's great to see him taking strides in the right direction. They're certainly outperforming Coinbase right now. You don't see Binance up there in the App Store. You don't see Kraken. You don't see some of these other exchanges in the US being up there. You see Crypto.com for a reason, guys. The marketing efforts are there. The regulatory compliance is there. And clearly, consumers, retail, are being drawn to this app. I think it fares very bullish for the CRO Coin. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you here and here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.